Hello, model railroad fans. Well, I'm back in my basement in New Hampshire working on the Iowa Southern layout. So I'm going to do several things in this video. First, I'm going to give you just a review of what I did last year. Then I'm going to show you some equipment I bought over the winter, all those boxes that I had in my last video. So here we go. This is my Cargill area. I got vegetable tanker cars, and I got grain cars coming into the facility. Got 2 tracks for that. I got corn sweeteners on this track. I got corn syrup on that track. I got another kit for these floating platforms. I'm going to put a couple of them down there and then a couple of them on my ethanol area. So I need to fix this 3-way switch and do a little more work over here. Not too happy with the way that works. I still have to do my river scene. Haven't done that. This is my co-op area. I do a lot of work on that. These are my sidings here in what I call Creston. Got what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 locomotives. These are what I call cement hoppers. I bought some more of those. I bought some more coal cars. Bought a couple of tankers. Bought a couple of more center beam lumber cars. I bought some more box cars. I bought some more container cars. I have to work on the street. I'm going to connect that street over to the co-op, so when the trucks drop their grain, they can come out this way. It's not really the way it works in Creston, but that's the way I'm going to do it. I picked those nice buildings up last year at the train show. I'm going to try to get up there again this year. So that's Creston. And over here is where I ended up working last year. I have to finish this track going over this way, around, and then down. So now let's look at some of the stuff I bought over the winter. I bought I bought 2 more scale trains. I had this 25th anniversary. I bought these 2 ET 44C4s. Yeah, I showed you little Freddie asked for Christmas for these guys. And then I bought this SD40 or SD39 to go with my SD40. So yeah, I think I got all the locomotives I'm going to need. So I bought a whole bunch of Pico turnout switches. I got a box full of those. And then over here, I've got 11 coal cars for a second coal train with the red color. I bought several of these black coal cars. I bought 10 container cars. I bought a whole bunch of containers to go on the cars. I bought a whole bunch of ethanol cars. What do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. I had that one. So I got 12 ethanol cars. I got some hoppers here. I got a gondola back there. Got some more hoppers here. These are my cement cars. I got, what I get, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Got a couple of more tanker cars for my mixed freight. Behind here I got a couple of box cars. Over here I've got 3 center beam lumber cars, a couple of trucks. These are my auto rack carriers. You saw me in a video fix these, but these are new ones over here. So I got a couple of those. Yeah. I got a whole bunch more MRC electrical gear. I got a booster and then some more plug-ins, and I actually got a spare MRC controller. I bought a whole bunch of that stuff all at once. Oh yeah, here's some models I bought specifically. I got a rotary dumper for my coal plant. I saw a terrible glare. I got this this crane for my container cars. I got another silo set, add-on silos, and I got a lumber yard kit. Got some more piping, and yeah, I had those last year. So yeah, got a lot of stuff to do this summer. Went to Lowe's this morning with my brother-in-law and his father with their big Tundra pickup. I spent $525 on lumber, foam. So yeah, that'll keep me busy for a while. So yeah, I think I'm in good shape here. Lots of stuff to do. Gotta order some cork. I'm totally out of cork, so I gotta order cork. And I'm probably gonna need some more track. But yeah, had a safe trip up here, 2,100 miles, 3.5 days driving solid. I was pretty tired when I got here. Thanks for watching.